easy read nature stories. Ducks. Ducks need water. They use ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. Their feet have webs so they can swim. Some ducks dabble for food. Head down, tail up. Mallard ducks dabble. Gadwall ducks dabble. Some ducks dive for food. The hooded merganser dives for fish. Surf scoters are ducks that dive for clams. They swallow the clam whole. Hard shell and all. The maned duck grazes on grass. There are more than 100 species of ducks in the world. That's a lot of different ducks. Ducks. To see and hear a story about the octopus, click here. Click here if you want to subscribe and get a notice when new videos are added.